Hello friends, good morning friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new die called Last time you know na I did my duty die. So this is another one. So oh, it's my friend. Woo! Hello friends, good morning friends. I am Mahendra. I am Mahendra, and I being a new die. Do you know that they might be a Smartivity toy? So this is the another one. So let's open it. I can't open. So it is just like from this side. I know. No. Oh, I know. So now it's opening is from here, and there is another way of opening it. It isn't very big. Well, I can do it all. Just look at more, please. So this is a book of Smartivity Toy. William. So friends, now I'll open it all. This is the Smartivity paper. It's not a book, it's only a paper. And this is the Smartivity pieces, friends. Can I put it here, please? Okay. And this is the pieces of the rocket, how to make the rocket. My dad helped me last time, so now I will do it all by myself. What is this? I don't know. Huh. Okay. Two, some stars and some stars. I like stars. It's stars and stars. Look, stars. This stickers I know. I don't know. So this is the take out of this my DVD big. And these buttons and this says screws only and the buttons. I don't know what is that for. This is the book and some rubber bands too. Oh, it seems like it's blue rubber. It's blue wave. It's blue wave and it's a star. Are you to hear? The last thing. Another rubber band and another rubber band. So let's make it now. Wooden plates and how to take out it with this blue stick and this is screws. The screws I find these little circles. This is the how to make the rocket and this is some blue yours like this is my favorite color and there are three of those and there is one star. There is one paper and there are stars and levels. So friends, look, this is instruction paper and behind this it's the rocket. This is more rubbers. Oops, I just forgot something there. Oh, I know. There are rubbers. And there are more rubbers. And there are more rubbers. Oops. And there are some stars and there are some sticker stars. Stars. And this is the booklet. If something's right, that's why this is a booklet. Just like the last time, right? So now I'm going to make it. So friends, in next video I will show you how to make the space rocket. Look at this picture. We should make it like this only. If it is right, we should play it. If it's wrong, we will take help. So I need to have these pieces. So friends, you also bring this toy. We will make together in next video. Bye bye.